This is Asani Ina. You're watching APN Northeast. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda, during his 3-day visit to Nagaland, laid the foundation stone of Kohima Village Multipurpose building at Kohima Village Ground, Ziekezou on Monday. Addressing the program, the Union Minister talked about the importance of tribal communities in national building. He mentioned that the unique identity, lifestyle and characteristics of the tribals. Munda added that Nagas have their own identity and with a history of being a warrior community to protect their traditions and cultures. Mentioning the scope and high potential of the field of archery, Munda suggested that if the state government wants to set up an archery center in the state, then he would see to make it happen. Munda said that he is working with 41 ministers and thereby assured to give all possible efforts to fulfill the needs of the state. The Minister of Tribal Affairs, Government of India has sanctioned Rs 5 crores to the State Tribal Affairs Department for the project. Munda expressed his desire to see the early completion of the multi-purpose building. CM Rio pointed out that the building should be made with Naga touch to preserve the rich traditions and unique culture. He also thanked the Ministry of Tribal Affairs for the fund, adding that the project will not only benefit the people of Kohima village but the Nagas as a whole. The union ministers also chaired a review meeting regarding the ongoing infrastructure project and upcoming development work in Kifiri district today, along with SITI Wati Aya, Deputy Commissioner, Kifiri and other officials. The All Manipur Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Implementing Agency Committee on Monday alleged that the state government of not releasing the funds amounting to Rs 230.2 crores and want to launch a blockade in the two national highways, Imphal-Dimapur and Imphal-Jiribam of Manipur from April 28 midnight if the pending funds are not released by 27 April. The payment of the second installment of the first tranche of Central Assistance of MGNREGA for financial year of 2021-22 has already been sanctioned by the Central in the March. However, the state government has not released till date, said Executive Member of the Committee, Hesho Lohar, while speaking to the media at Manipur Press Club in Imphal. Appeals have been made in this regard to the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Y. Kemchand and RD and PR Commissioner MH Kant on April 11th. Unfortunately, they have not given any response till date, he said. Thanks for watching APN Artist.